Yeah, I'm vlogging. Do you mind being on it?
Yeah.
You want to say what your name is?
Hey.
What's your name?
Ipek it means sick woman.
Sick woman?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's your YouTube channel?
It's Wade's Way.
What?
Wade's Way. W-A-D-E.
I'm following Wade.
Pretty crazy. Fanta's like one of my favorite drinks. It tastes different in every country though. Like this one tastes more like a, you know those vitamin C packs that you put in water? That's what this tastes like. It's not that good. So far the best one I had is probably UAE in the Middle East. Top rated Fanta. Putting that boy in that Larry June.
Yeah.
On the Larry June.
Yes. Yeah, bro.
Yeah, what is that? I love bad bitches, that's my fucking problem. And yeah, I like the fuck, I got a fucking problem. I love bad bitches, that's my fucking problem. And yeah, I like the fuck, I got a fucking problem.
It's also right, you can see it's just here, you see.
It was very nice. Alright, y'all, we checked into the hotel. We are at the Legend Saint-Germain. I think that's how the taxi driver said it. But yeah, let's get a little quick tour real quick. We're at the bathroom. The room is a bit quaint, which I'm not mad at. It's okay. Because there's really only one reason I booked this room, and that is this right here, this view. This view is amazing. Right in the middle of everything. Beautiful architecture going on. And I can people watch and be nosy. I'm really in Paris, y'all. We're in Paris, baby. I was in Paris a couple years ago, but it was a layover. Let me in the frame a little bit more. It was a layover for like 12 hours, so I had a driver drive me around, but I never got to like stay and experience it. So I'm super excited. I have a friend who's coming. She's gonna be a part of this trip. And honestly, this is just the beginning. I got 3 more cities to go to after here. So, y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all. Right now, I'm kind of just walking around the block, seeing what's close to the hotel. Cause your boy is starving, man. I gotta get something soon. But I love the architecture. Like, it's just old ass fucking buildings that look like somebody took time to, like, you know, design them. This is really amazing. But Paris is cool so far. It feels hella good outside. It's a nice change for being in the Doha desert. Good old sandbox, you know. So yeah, we're gonna find us something to eat. Pretty damn good. I found this little cafe down the street from the hotel. There's cafes everywhere. I don't know what nobody's saying. They barely know what I'm saying. But we got food and that was the mission. Alright. I just made it back to my hotel. The food's pretty good, I ain't gonna lie. I just got a burger though, so it's pretty basic. But now, I'm trying to decide if I want to, you know what I'm saying, be outside tonight, you feel me? I think I found a club. TikTok. TikTok is my travel best friend. TikTok is a travel hack for real. When I went to Thailand back in April, TikTok told me everywhere I needed to go. And hopefully it doesn't fail me. Now, I found a club called Le Duplex. It's like 15 minutes from here. TikTok, it look like the vibe. It even says on a Tuesday. So that's another thing, like I'm here early in the week. That's a, you know what I'm saying, that's a little barrier for trying to, you know what I'm saying, turn up a little bit. Translate, downloading French, cause I don't speak a lick of French. But we ain't gonna let that stop us, no, are we? No, hell no. So, I'm about to download the Google French translator. Once that's finished, I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna put on tonight, you know what I'm saying? Cause it's Paris, like, I gotta put that shit on, you know what I'm saying? So, let's duplex. So, Club Duplex was a fucking hit. Club Duplex was a hit. That shit was turned on a Tuesday. Out here at the Louvre. This whole place is actually a whole palace. It's huge. Beautiful. You got everybody doing their little pyramid grab. It's pretty funny.
This collection is inspired by alcohol or famous cocktails, so each creation are created around one. Here you have the famous cognac, where the Hennessy family
Mykonos, Greece. This is my first time in Greece, and I would by far say this is the most beautiful place I have ever been. I've been to a few different countries, and this place is absolutely amazing. The vibe is just, it's relaxed. It's beach vibe. Kind of reminds me of Cali a little bit, like in the hills. It's beautiful yachts everywhere. Jessica's friends here. It's her birthday, so we're about to go out and celebrate.